अल्ट्रासाउंड मशीन केनो चालू कोण दितलो नंबर 1. नंबर 2 22 स्टाफ केनो घाल दितलो. नंबर 3 तू विजिट कोता सोडा म्हाका इंटिमेशन दितलो आनी म्हाका तुजे बारा वतलो आनी तुगे दुसरो आमदार तेकाय वतलो आणि एक चेकलिस्ट मुका तयार केलो काबार कोण दिया लेट मी स्पीक नो नाउ
वेन्सी डेट धरून द्यावे तर म्हाका प्रॉब्लेम काय ना
तर
सांग
हांवें एक चेकलिस्ट तयार केलो ते चेकलिस्ट तू मुज बारा काउंटर साइन कर दॅट दीज आर द थिंग्स दॅट आर मिसिंग इन द पीएचसी कन्सोलिम आणि म्हाका आता तू सांग when you are going to come, when are you going to give the staff, and how much budget in this financial year you will allot to upgrade the PHC of Kansaulim. This clarity आज आमकां दिंगा. From there on हांव तुज हाटी लागतलो 8 तारीख जाल म्हणटरी till the time you come here with a note of whatever you give me today.
वेन्सीचो बर्थडे हा तेन्नाच त्या दिसा तुझे बर्थडे केला त्या दिस 15 मिनिटां काड आमी वचून विजिट करून येया. बर्थडेच्या निमित्तान सोशल वर्क तरी जातलें आमी बरोबर या आमी आणि जे बर्थडे विश करपाक येवपाचोच हांव म्हणून त्याच दिसा आमी या आमी आणि त्याच दिसा तुका माझ्या एज पर लॉ whatever is in my power I'll sign and give. I cannot sign what is beyond
me. No, we need a budget. See, please understand, we are suffering. Basically, we are suffering for NOCs. NOCs are pending online. There is a failure there. Please put things in proper. We do not have to sit please here. It is your duty to think I'm speaking to the public.
Because yes, honorable member and je sangla, I am not debating. We have been discussing, we have been talking of seeing how comprehensively we can take government of India undertaking which is there on board. ह्यो सगळे गोष्टी करपाक जाय. तुका घेवन बसतात जे बाकीचे जिताचे आणि बाकीच्यांचे हॉस्पिटलाचे जे कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव तेजे आमचे डिपार्टमेंट जाले उपरांत हांवें चीफ मिनिस्टराक धाडपाचें केल्लें आसा की हे अशें आमकां रिक्वायरमेंट जाय त्या प्रमाणे ताका हांव जाय जाल्यार तो जेन्ना सांगता तेन्ना येता आणि हांव करता म्हाका प्रॉब्लेम.
So you are putting up some budget from the entire budget.
Whatever
you put at least 1 or 2 CR.
Whatever budget is there of DHS will make sure. That's why I took out the issue of ultrasound. Honorable Anton was not taken it out. I have taken it out so that he is aware of it that we are looking into all these things.
So before Diwali you will comply to the things.
I will comply. I will.
Before the end of this year,
I will comply. I will comply.